Welcome back to Autowondr. The 2026 Kia Picanto, the compact city car, is back with a fresh new design, upgraded technology, and improved efficiency. Known for its affordable price, agile handling, and stylish appeal, the new Picanto is set to offer a bold exterior, a more premium cabin, and advanced safety features, making it a top contender in the urban hatchback segment. The exterior styling takes inspiration from Kia's latest design language, featuring a more aggressive front, fascia with a larger grille and sleeker LED headlights. The new bumper design adds a sporty touch, while the sculpted body lines give the Picanto a modern, dynamic stance. The redesigned LED taillights and a sharper rear bumper enhance the car's road presence, while new alloy wheel designs, ranging from 15 to 17 inches, provide a more premium feel. Inside, the 2026 Picanto will feature a 10-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a 7-inch digital instrument cluster, and new ambient lighting for a more high-tech feel. The cabin materials are expected to be more refined, with soft-touch surfaces and contrast stitching, adding a premium touch. Safety is a priority, with Kia's latest ADAS technology offering adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot, monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. Under the hood, the 2026 Picanto is expected to offer a range of efficient petrol engines, including a 1.0-liter turbocharged 3-cylinder and a 1.2-liter 4-cylinder, both optimized for better fuel economy and lower emissions. A mild hybrid MHEV option may also be introduced for enhanced efficiency and city-friendly performance. A 5-speed manual and CVT automatic transmission will be available, delivering smooth and responsive driving. With an expected starting price of $15,000, the 2026 Kia Picanto continues to be one of the best value city cars, with a late 2025 reveal and early 2026 availability. Compact, stylish, and smarter than ever, the 2026 Kia Picanto is ready to dominate the city streets.